Hey guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But today is all about showing you how to change the battery in your key fob, because when this goes dead, it absolutely sucks. So let's get right into it. So first, I just want you to know this is really easy to do, and hopefully by me showing you how to change the battery in your key fob, it will also save you money because you won't have to go to the dealership. So essentially the first step is going to be taking off your valet key, and you'll either have a button to slide on yours or you'll just be able to pull it out. There's usually two slots there, and all you're doing is using your valet key to separate the plastic so it comes apart. So just use some patience, but it's, as you can see, it's fairly easy to do. And then what I like to do is just lay out the different parts. So your cover, typically you might have another one, and just practice your patience because it should come off fairly easy, just like that. Okay. This should be rubber, this piece, and it comes off easy breezy, just like that. Okay, and then you're going to see your battery right there. If it falls out, look at that. See how easy it is? But it slides out, the battery, like that. And then you have to read which one you have. So this one in particular is a Panasonic CR2032. I went to my local dollar store and I picked one up. Right, I think it was $1.25, $1.50, but then I just reversed my steps. So I take my new battery and I slide it in. All right. If it's being difficult with you, again, just practice some patience, but easy breezy like that. Then you reverse, you put your rubber part, you put a cover, right? Put the other cover just like that. Make sure it snaps, right? Check all of it, go all the way around. Seems fine. Then you take your valet key and just put it back in. Voila, nice and easy. So there you go, guys, easy breezy. I showed you how to change your key fob battery, hopefully saving you money. And it took what, less than 2 minutes? Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.